Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel.
I'm here again with a new video, and today's video is on the recipe writing, and the recipe which I've brought for you is a very interesting and loving recipe of today's generation. It is the recipe of veg sandwich. So let's start our today's video. We will start with the ingredients which are used for this recipe. So the ingredients are like this: 2 tablespoons of carrot chopped. Here it is written as TBSP. TBSP means a short form of tablespoon. So 2 tablespoons of carrots that are chopped, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of sweet corn. 2 tablespoons of capsicum that are also chopped finely, small pieces. 2 tablespoons of tomato, again chopped, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of paneer that are also chopped in small pieces. 2 tablespoons of boiled potato, again chopped. 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney, half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of mixed herbs. Here you can also use as the herbs which are used for pizza and pasta. Oregano. Next is 3 tablespoons of cheese, grated. You can take mozzarella cheese also, and shredded cheese also. Then bread slices according to your requirement, butter for toasting, and lastly Szechuan chutney for spreading. Now the instructions. The very first step is, in a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of carrots that we have earlier seen in the ingredients that are chopped, everything chopped. 2 tablespoons of carrot, sweet corn. These sweet corns which we have taken here, they are boiled sweet corns. Capsicum, tomatoes, paneer, and boiled potato. The second step is add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney, half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of mixed herbs, and half table of cheese to all these vegetables. Third step is mix them all well, making it sure that everything is combined well, mixed well. Point number 4. Now take 2 bread slices and spread butter on it. Fifth point, also spread Szechuan chutney over the bread slice. Point number 6. Place a cheese slice and stuff in the prepared stuffing on the bread. Point number 7. Place another slice of cheese on the top of that stuffing, covering the bread with the another slice of bread. Use butter to toast this sandwich as per your wish and enjoy the delight of this sandwich. Thanks for watching. If you have liked the video, do like, share and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till yet.